In the first day of training, you learned about the contents of the bin debug directory and how they include the compiled Swift file and the HTML wrapper file. Many developers may be tempted to use those files to launch their application, but this is not a good practice. In this video, you will learn how to create a version of the application that you can use for a production launch. The files in the bin debug directory contain additional debug code and metadata that the debugger uses for tasks like setting breakpoints and viewing variables. You should create a release build to generate a smaller file without this debug code and use it for your production site. I am creating a production build for the Employee Portal application by selecting Project, Export Release Build. In the Export Release Build dialog, I'm clicking the checkbox to enable view source. Note that the export folder is named bin release. I'm clicking the Finish button. You can see that the production build is stored in this bin release directory. I am right-clicking on the Swift file in the bin debug directory and then selecting Properties. You can see that the file size is 89,000 bytes. If I look at the same application in the bin release folder, you can see that the file size is almost half the size. I have opened the release build in a browser. Since I selected to enable source view in my release build, I can right-click on the application and select View Source. This opens the source view where I can view all the files as well as download them using these links in the lower left corner. For your next step, work through the exercise titled Creating a Production Build.